Alright, hi, it's Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. I want to show you something. It's on the generator again, a continuation video. I don't really know what number it is, but here we go. Look, that's the cover that I took off. You see where I got L marked in yellow? I paint. I got paint pens, okay? The reason why, I don't want you to mess up. I don't want to mess up either. So there's a, right? There's a short and a long bolt. So I just put L where they belong and they're off, okay? And there's a short bolt right there. There's a long one down there. There you go. Now, a lot of y'all don't look at this under here. These two are your, how you fire your cylinders. That's your magnetos, all right, or coils, whatever you want to call them. The ignition coil goes up right into there, okay? And then this is a tensioner. Yes, there's a tensioner on this. Then there's the belt right there. Serpentine belt, been burning up a little bit. So we're going to get a tensioner. And there, right here is the coupler that I was talking about. All right, so we got to take this bolt off, these bolts here, and then we'll just keep tearing it down. All right. Remember, if you lose your coil, yeah, that's, we'll find out what that is. It was up in, oh, that's a piece of belt. Look at that. Look where that came from. All right, so this is the fan that draws the air in, right? Cools it off. There's your exhaust. Oh, all right, puppy, stay in. That's my 13-year-old girl, I think, and that's my 2-year-old. That's an English Black Lab, and that's an American. How you doing? How you doing? Let me put you on pause real quick. Alright, so this was easy. That came off. That's the fan. Don't forget about the fan support from the behind. Alright, these were 10 millimeters. Okay, this was a 19 or 3/4. Alright, they had a big wash on it like that. You can see where it was. So what I do, I put this bolt back in. And then I went and got my pulley set, which American made, good old stuff. But you can rent this stuff. So this is going to go up against the bolt. Now I'm going to put each fork right there. And there like that. Let me see if I can get it set up for you. Put you on pause. Alright, so that's the setup. Alright. Because you don't want to run this down there and mess the threads up. Alright. So I'm going to take this off, using a little bit of an impact. Be careful. And remember, this is what fire your coils. Those are your magnetos. Your magnets are right here. Right there's your magnet, right? Rare earth magnet. There you go. And remember these small bolts, when I take this off, the starter ring gear's here. It's time to examine the teeth of the starter. This only has a little under 500 hours on it. All right, so as my wife just called me and said, hey, come on in and get dinner. Let me put you on pause. I'm gonna try to get this off. All right, so I'm gonna close this video down. I will make another one as continuation video. This is only like 3 or 4 minutes. My wife yelled out the door, I gotta go eat. So there you go. I'll be back having fun in my shop. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. What's the motto? Test, not guess. Thank you. See you around.